Welcome to B&bros, and today we'll be sanding, priming, and painting this Hulk model. It was printed on the Creality Ender 3. This is the time lapse of the 3D print, and the Ender 3 did a really good job. And it's a free model from my mini factory. It's a really great model. It came in pieces. It came in 4 pieces. This part, and this part. This was the largest part to print. It took the longest time. And since it came in pieces, I had to glue it with this Gorilla super glue. And I started sanding it with this 120 grit sandpaper. And then I'm not finished yet. I'm not finished sanding it yet. Still expecting it to be extra soft. And after that, we'll be priming it with this primer. And I printed 2 of them. This 100 times bigger, and this 300 times bigger than the original size. And yeah, stay tuned to see what it would look like. So I started sanding this with the 120 grit sandpaper. It didn't take a long time. It started to be soft enough for me to prime it, and yeah, I'm really happy of how it turned out. This is incredibly soft all around, and I'm going to be priming this with 2 times Ultra Cover, paint plus primer, and it specifically says that it bonds to plastic, so I think this is a great choice. It has a wide variety of colors, but green, glossy green, I think it's going to be nice. On top of that, I'm going to paint it, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, B&bros, and like this video, so I would upload more videos like this one with more prints with this Ender 3, and painting them and sanding them and all of that.